Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can record in Sodah. So to do that, I am going to adjust some of the settings here. If you are in a public server, make sure you select the, where is it? Hide players and hide name tags as well. I'm in a private server, so it doesn't really matter. And I am going to select track camera, and I'm going to do, I think, torso for this one. You can also change the lighting theme. You can also change the lighting theme if you'd like to. Just going to stick with the sunset. There's a bunch of places where you can record. I'm just going to do one at the school. And then you're just going to select a song here. And to record, make sure you turn off your UI so it doesn't bother when you record. Just record, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.